Welcome back, Cheap Pete's Garage. Today we're working on the 1968 Mercury Monterey. This car has sat for 20 years, roughly. And in a previous video, we tried getting it going, but it was only firing on 5 cylinders. Well, took it apart and found out that, well, that there's probably the reason. So, had 2 stuck valves over here. I have yet to take the other side apart. I know it's got at least one cylinder. It's not firing over on the passenger side. So I got to pull that valve cover yet. But for what it is, it's really not that dirty underneath the hood there. Or hood, under the valve cover. The car's got 145,000 miles on it. So yeah, I got the valves unstuck on it, so I'm going to take and put some different push rods in it, and we can continue to the other side. That and new valve cover gaskets. Pretty clean old car. So I guess that's just a little update what we've been doing. Once I get those fixed, got that carburetor off and rebuild it, and hopefully she'll run decent. So I'm gonna leave you guys at that. Hopefully next video it'll be running. Alright, you guys like content like this? Remember, like, subscribe, comment, share. Till the next one, thanks for watching. Bye.